Alright, sometimes, you may find that the default sorting options can't sort data in the order you need, So fortunately, Excel allows you to create custom lists to define your own sorting order. Okay, so to create custom sort, in our example here, we want to sort, the worksheet by t-shirt size. Okay, so t-shirt size is at column D here. Alright, okay, a regular sort will organize the sizes alphabetically, which will be incorrect. Okay, so instead we will create a custom list, alright, to sort from smallest to largest. Okay, so we select a cell in the column that you want to sort by. In our example, we will select cell D2. Okay, so select the data tab, alright, and then click the sort command. Data tab, okay, and then click the sort command, alright, and then the sort dialog box will appear. Okay, select the column that you want to sort by, alright, and then choose custom list. Okay, so we want it to be t-shirt size, okay, and then custom list. Okay, so the custom list dialog box will appear. Okay, select new list from the custom list box. Okay, alright, and then type the items in the desired custom order in the list entries box. Okay, in our example here, alright, we want to sort our data by t-shirt size from smallest to largest. Okay, so we will type small, medium, large, and X large example, and then we type it first. Okay, I want it to be small, medium, and then we have large, and then we have X large. Okay, so you click add. Okay, alright, and then pressing enter on the keyboard. Okay, alright, you click add first. Okay, and then to save the new sort order, the new list will be added into the custom list. Alright, and then make sure the new list is selected first, and then you click OK. So the custom list dialog box will close, alright, and then you click OK in the sorting dialog box to perform the custom sort. Okay, so you click OK. Alright, so the worksheet will be sorted by the custom order. In our example here, the worksheet is now organized by t-shirt size, alright, from the smallest to the largest. Alright.